Let me go ahead and say the first thing. Tomorrow's vlog might be up a little bit late because we're going to DC. I'm gonna try to make it sweet. That's a commitment that I just set, but I'm gonna try. I lied about that. This is where snow remains. It's literally just straight ice. My favorite license plate of all time. I completely forgot today is the Israeli-US ambassador is coming to speak. So there's gonna be like other people besides Liberty. So there's gonna be a lot of people. Back at the dorm. Gotta do some laundry. Laundry. Also how it's done. Now I just wait a couple times. But I'll spare you, and so it's not repetitive. Next time you see me at the laundry room, it'll be done. So my laundry's still in the dryer. These guys. The sky. So we're going rock climbing after we eat. Here. So we went climbing, but there were so many people there. I just didn't record, but it was fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right there. Sorry if it's so late. That's all I got. Don't forget to comment, favorite, share, like, subscribe. Do it all, be legit, and yeah. Peace out. Do something nice to somebody.